Hey guys, come make kombucha with me. Brewed 15 tea bags. Added 2.5 cups of sugar. Added 1 bottle of GT Synergy starter and poured it into a gallon mason jar. Okay guys, so this is my kombucha setup. We are on day 3. And this is what she's looking like inside. Definitely looks a little weird, but I'm pretty sure that it's just a pellicle forming. One thing that I'm doing differently that I'm seeing most people are not doing that might end up messing everything up is I'm actually using one of these little glass latch thingies instead of using a cloth because I didn't have one, but everything looks good so far. I was kind of scared that was mold, but after doing a little research, I think it's just a pellicle forming. Here's the recipe I followed. Here's my kombucha on day 3 nervous. Here's the research I did, lol.